Hi, I'm Catherine from Just Fabrics, and today we're going to be making a Christmas cushion. We'll be using the Christmas fern fabric in the rust colourway, and we will need a cushion inner, some scissors, some pins, a tape measure, also a sewing machine. So we need to start by measuring out a 20 by 20 inch piece of fabric. Now we need to cut out two 20 inch by 14 inch sections. These will be for the back. So now we have the two pieces for the back. So now you need to fold over your top edge, so ½ an inch, and then fold that over again to get a nice neat finish and pin that in place. Do this all along that edge. Now do the same on the other half. Now you need to sew along the pinned edges. Now put your front piece first, and then you need to layer your two back pieces together on top of your front piece. Now pin your pieces together, making sure all the edges are aligned. Now sew along all your pinned edges. Now clip the edges. Okay, and now you're ready to turn the cushion right around. And now you're ready to insert your inner. And now you've got your very own Christmas cushion. I hope you enjoyed that guide on how to make this Christmas cushion. Take a look online, and we've got a wide range of Christmas craft fabrics and also lots more inspiration and how-to guides.